Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from Meta Business Suite. Let's get straight into it. First, head to business.facebook.com and log into the Facebook profile that has admin access to the business account you want to manage. Once you're in, if you have multiple business accounts, make sure you're viewing the right one. You can switch using the drop-down menu in the top left corner. Next, click the settings cogwheel icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open the main settings panel for your business. In the left navigation menu, under the Users category, click on People. You'll now see a list of everyone who has direct access to your business account. If you have a lot of users, you can use the search bar at the top to find the person faster. Find the name of the person you want to remove and click on it. Once you do, their details will appear on the right side of the screen, showing their assigned tasks and what assets they can access. Now, in the top right corner of their profile pane, click the three-dot menu next to their name. A drop-down menu will appear with the option to remove. Click Remove. Meta Business Suite will now show you all the assets this person has access to. Take a quick look to make sure you're not removing someone who's the sole admin of something important. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. This action is immediate and can't be undone. Click the confirmation button. It'll either say remove or confirm, depending on your version. The person will instantly lose access to all pages, ad accounts, and other assets they were assigned through the suite. Their access is immediately revoked across all connected assets. A few things to know about what happens after removal. The removed person will no longer be able to create or edit posts, respond to comments or messages, view performance insights or analytics, or create and manage ads. All their access to assigned business assets, including pages and ad accounts, is completely cut off the moment you confirm. The removal is permanent, and there's no undo button. The person will get an email notification letting them know they've been removed. If you remove someone by mistake, you can re-invite them by going back to the People section, clicking Add People, and entering their work email to send a new invitation. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.